After creating the boundary for your site, click the Continue to Site Attributes link to enter attribute information for your site. Begin by selecting the investigation date when the data collection of the site was completed, as well as the name and institution or affiliation of the investigator leading the data collection. Information for as many additional investigators as you like may also be added. Click the plus button after entering each new name. Click Proceed to Site Names. Each site must be given a primary site name and may be given as many additional names as you would like. Click the plus button after entering each additional name. The primary name should be in Latin characters, but additional names may be entered using Arabic characters. Click Proceed to Office Responsible for Site and select the Department of Antiquities office responsible for the site from the drop-down list. You may also include any comments about the site, such as directions to find it or notes about how the boundary was determined. At this point, you have met the basic requirements for a new site and may click Save to add the site to the database. However, there are a few more steps for adding additional information if desired. To continue adding information, click Proceed to Significance. Here you can enter information about the site significance and its scientific, historical, aesthetic, social, and spiritual values. Click Proceed to Citations and select as many references from the drop-down list as necessary. If you have references that are not listed in the drop-down, you may add these to the application by selecting Manage Citations from the Activities panel of the Tasks window. Click Proceed to Surveys to select a survey from the drop-down list. Click Proceed to Define Buffer Zone to add a buffer zone around the site. You may enter a fixed distance in meters for the buffer, or interactively draw a buffer zone around the site. To draw the buffer, you have all the same tools as you had when originally creating the site's boundary, so you may either manually draw the buffer or use GPS coordinates. After you have drawn the buffer, click Finish Drawing and then Finish Site Workflow to return to the Site Buffer Zone form. Click Save to add the new site to the database. After the site has been saved, a dialog box showing the site's name and MEGA number will appear to confirm that the save was successful. At this point, you may click Done to finish the workflow, or click Add a Site Element.